principal at Avon High School again, and wow, we have had a lot of progress happen since I talked to you back in August. We are nearing kind of the next phase being completed. It's been fall break, but over those 2 weeks, there's been a lot going on, even over the weekends. And where I'm at right now is in the new cafeteria space, where paint has been added. Some more shape to different spaces has taken place for the new ozone that's being built. An area where it will be kind of grab-and-go sandwiches. We also have areas that are going to be behind me that will be different stations. It almost has a look of a food court, maybe something you'd find in a mall or at a college or a university. But hot sandwiches, pizza slices. We're going to have fresh fruits and vegetables station, and some other areas that will have different things for lunches, but really excited about kind of the new ambiance, the new feel that's going to happen here. That will be done when we come back from our winter Christmas vacation. I greet you now from the west side of the school, and I am actually standing in what will be, when it is completed, the main entry vestibule and the main staircase coming in to the front, the new front of the building. To my left is actually going to be the new main entrance area to the main office administrative suite, and also access to our guidance and counseling services and attendance. Behind me is going to be a main hallway that will go upstairs to the second floor, but there will be a hallway that will connect on the second floor to the main part of the building, and also through the lower level just to the right of the staircase, connecting with the other part of the building. And this is an effort to create another major hallway to help create more efficiencies and ease traffic flow in the main part of the building that we're really experiencing now in that main hallway by our main entrance. Now I am standing on the second floor of the new West Addition. This second floor has a great overlook balcony into the main entrance, a great staircase, and then to my left actually there's going to be a hallway that will take you into the main part of the building. But also in this space we have new classrooms. We have upwards of around 11 new classrooms that are going to be added. 2 of those are going to be a couple new science classrooms in this area. So we are really excited about how this is coming together. When I was here in August, all there was steel beams and you could look up into the sky. Now we've got the ceiling rafters are in, we've got concrete poured, we've got an elevator shaft being built, and also HVAC units being inputted. Also behind me to the left is going to be a new outdoor space. It's going to be a nice green space that's going to be added. We're excited about the possibilities that that could afford our classrooms for teachers to go out and have class out on that green space. Also the likelihood of maybe some performing arts events being held out on that green space. Also there is a canopy and a seating area where kids, whether it's during the school day or maybe waiting before or after school, there'll be furniture out there for kids to kind of sit as they're waiting to be dropped off or waiting to get into the building at the beginning of the school day. So some neat new spaces for kids and maybe even teachers to enjoy when that is finished. At the beginning of the coming school year, the 24-25 school year, is when these spaces will become available. Another part of this project that we're really excited about is the addition of some more performing arts space. Our programs have grown since this building was built a number of years ago, and we are able to add a new orchestra and band flexible space. It'll be a new home for our growing orchestra program, a state-of-the-art facility. But the great thing about it too is that it can also serve the purpose to help with our guard and other band programs that we have, like our drumline. Just additional space that it can be used throughout the school year, which will ease some of the facility concerns that we have in other parts of the building, like in our gyms. You can see it's got a couple tiers in the back. We're going to have practice rooms in this area, as well as lots of storage space. And this is also going to be another entry area for just performing arts. So really excited about how this space is coming together. Again, this will also be completed for the 24-25 school year. I am now on the south side of the building with the new south addition. And man, lots of progress has happened in this area as well. Where I am standing right now, and behind me, is basically the small courtyard, and then that was by the tennis courts and the pool, and then the pool parking lot area. And this is going to be behind me a main hallway, kind of a new south entrance for our students coming in from the parking lots. They'll come in behind me, and then this is a main hallway that will take them directly to where our present weight room is located in the hallway that's right near it. So it's going to be a major corridor, especially at the beginning and the end of the day. And in this area, we have a new teacher workroom area. We have a student government office space for their work. We also are going to have a hospitality area for our athletic department, as well as our new weight room. And we also have 4 additional classrooms that will be in this space as well. Behind me is our new weight room and speed and strength space. And man, talk about an area that's made a lot of progress. When you looked at it before, pretty much a wide open space, dirt floors. Now it's really starting to take shape with the flooring in and a lot of ceiling work being done. We've got new glass that's coming in on the south side of this area. Our locker rooms that go right into the weight room space, those are being worked on and completed as we speak. So I'll be really excited for you to see the finished product with the branding that will be in this space and other spaces in this part of the building, but also a lot of our new equipment that will be going on in this area that will be great for all of our health and PE classes, as well as our student athletes. Another piece of the South Addition is also a new wrestling room. And I'm currently in our new wrestling room. Our current wrestling room has 2 mats. This will be able to house 3 mats for our boys and girls wrestling program. What that means now is that our current wrestling space will actually become a new space for our dance program. For those of you who don't know, we offer dance 1, 2, and 3, as well as level 4 dance programs here at Avon High School. We're one of only maybe 2 or 3 high schools in the state of Indiana that actually has a dance program. So they will move out of their current space, which actually was built as a black box theater a number of years ago. They will move into the wrestling room space, and that will free up the black box theater to be used for its intended purposes in our theater programs. Another thing too that's a part of this building project that we're having is also just renovation and refreshing of some of our spaces. The 2 balcony gyms in our main gym on the east and west side of it have been refreshed with new surfaces. And we are excited about being able to get that done, because those have not been resurfaced and refreshed since the main gym was built over 20 to 25 years ago. Are you getting excited? I know I am, just to see this progress and knowing that we're going to see the results and the outcomes, the product of some of this work that has been going on really for the past year. And that is going to happen really as soon as we come back from our winter break Christmas holiday, is when the South Addition will be done and ready for students and teachers to use. So you can expect another edition of our Making Room for More series here over that Christmas and winter break holiday. We want to be able to show you what is completed and what is going to be greeting our teachers and our students once they come back from that 2-week break. So again, this is Matt Shockley, proud principal of Avon High School, and just really excited about the future and about these new additions to really enhance our programming and what we have to offer our students, teachers, and community.